What you're looking at here will soon be the first Chinese EV to be assembled in Malaysia. This is the Chery Omoda E5. I'm sure this being an EV, you're interested to know how much power it makes. Using a single motor to drive the front wheels, it produces 204 horsepower, 340 Newton meters of torque for a 0 to 100 time of 7.6 seconds, onwards to a top speed of 172 kilometers an hour. Powering that single electric motor is a 61 kilowatt hour battery that can be charged using 9.9 kilowatt AC charging and 80 kilowatt DC charging. Using DC charging, it can be charged from 30% to 80% in just 28 minutes. Speaking of the battery, Chery is offering an 8-year warranty for it, and to make the deal even sweeter, within the warranty period, if the battery health drops to under 70%, Chery will replace the battery one for one, no questions asked. Speaking of charging, this car also offers V to L charging with up to 3.3 kilowatts of power. Basically, you can use this to power home appliances like your laptop, camping equipment, and many more. For the range, at full charge, it will go up to 430 kilometers. Let's talk about this very striking, very futuristic exterior. There are 4 color options. You get this very interesting aqua green, there is khaki white, there is phantom grey, and also dark black. What's different from the petrol-powered Omoda 5? Well, for starters, you don't get those striking signature red strips across the car. The very striking front grille with those diamond studs are completely gone. It is completely covered up now for the car to be a little more aerodynamic. And speaking of aerodynamics, the Omoda E5 comes with an active shutter grille that basically opens and closes according to the temperature of the car and also the aerodynamic requirements. Remember how I said the front bumper section is now different? Well, the headlamp fixture is different as well. It's been slightly redesigned to accommodate these LED projectors which can swivel when you turn your steering wheel. On the side, you get a new design 18-inch wheels, while at the back, on the powered tailgate, you get a boot lid, which is not available in the petrol-powered model. Correct me if I'm wrong, but these actually look like double glazed windows. Wow! I think the first thing that comes to mind when you get inside the car is Mercedes-Benz. If you have sat or owned Mercedes-Benz vehicles before, looking at this section here, especially this panel here to control the windows, it looks exactly like the ones from Mercedes-Benz cars. And then there's this floating dual 12.3-inch display with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless by the way. Oh, it also comes with an 8-speaker Sony sound system. In terms of interior upholstery, the Omoda E5 is available in this blue and white interior, or if you want something a little simpler, there is a full black option. Other features also include a wireless charger with cooling function, 540 degrees surround view monitor, and ventilated front seats. Other things worth noting, it comes with a 483-litre boot, a sunroof, and this very cool graphics for the front passenger. In terms of safety, you get 6 airbags and every possible driver assistance feature you can have in a modern car. For all those impressive features, the Omoda E5 goes for only 146,800 ringgit, and it will be accompanied with a 7-year warranty. But that's not all. Omoda E5 owners will be entitled to free charging at all Chery dealerships nationwide, a free wall box charger, 1,000 charging credits, and the best of all, 2% interest from Maybank. For more information on the Chery Omoda E5, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.